Okay, I just got these silicone bread mats from Amazon. The way we like to use these, and we've used the heck out of them, so we'll use cast iron. This is what we cook our sourdough in, and we'll put this in here like so once we get the dough, and the dough sits in there, and then the lid pops on. These bake, we do these at like 425 degrees for like 40 minutes was the bread recipe we use, and then you're able to just pop the bread out like that at the end. Super handy, and then you can put it onto your cooling rack or whatever. And then with the other one that we use, because we also bake bread loaves of sourdough, you can push this down in, and this is a small pan, but if you had a bigger one, you could do a bigger one. And I know you could trim this down if you wanted to and set it down in there, which is probably what we're going to do, so you can have kind of the same experience with your bread pan loaves. But these are super handy. We've used them, we love them. They're totally awesome, no problems in the oven, so grab some.